Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in 1469 in Talwandi, now in Pakistan, known as Nankana Sahib. The name of his father was Mehta Kalu and that of his mother Tripta. Mehta Kalu was a revenue official. Guru Nanak was innocent and gentle from the very childhood. While children of his age engaged in playing and making fun and merry, he would sit long in meditation in a corner of the house. He was not interested in studies in school. Once Mehta Kalu, after consulting his wife, told Nanak, "Now you are a grown-up boy. We want that you should stand on your legs. These are 20 rupees. Take this amount and invest it in some profitable business. I expect you to earn profit by fair means." Nanak took the money and left home. He came across a grove. There he saw some sadhus sitting in a posture and lost in meditation. They seemed to be indifferent to the world. Nanak remembered his father's words to invest the money in some profitable business. He at once left for the nearby village and bought fruits and sweets for the sadhus. He gave fruits and sweets to the sadhus to eat. The sadhus had not eaten any food for a couple of days. They ate it and blessed Nanak. He bowed his head to them in reverence and returned home. When his father came to know that his son had spent his hard-earned money for sadhus, he became angry. He slapped his son. Nanak innocently said to his father, "Father, you had instructed me to invest money in some profitable business. What other business might be more profitable than this?" To create feelings in Nanak, his father married him with Sulakhna, daughter of Mooldhan, a resident of Batala. Nanak and Sulakhna enjoyed a married life for 6 years. During this period, they had 2 sons. But Nanak was not interested in worldliness like a common man. He spent most of his time in meditation. He used to say, "I live in meditation. Without that, I would die." Once, Nanak was staying in the house of a poor carpenter named Lala. He used to serve Guru Nanak dry chapati with sauce. Guruji would eat it happily. A Brahmin named Malik Bhago of the same place performed a religious sacrifice followed by a dinner. Along with many people of his caste, He also invited Guru Nanak to the grand dinner. Though unwillingly, he went to attend the dinner, as he was invited many times. Malik Bhagwat said, Guruji, you are born in a Khatri family. Is it right on your part to eat and stay in the house of a Shudra and participate in a religious dinner? Lala was standing behind Guruji. Guru Nanak took the dry chapati from Lala in one hand and kachori from Malik Bhagwat in the other hand. Guruji squeezed dry chapati and kachori. Milk oozed out of the dry chapati and blood out of the kachori. All were stunned to see it. Guruji said, the chapati of Lala contains the milk of hard and honest labor with pure heart. The kachori of rich man contains the blood of the poor and is not earned with hard labor and honest heart. In the last days of his life, Guruji stayed at Kartarpur for 3 years. On 22nd September 1539, his soul reached the Supreme God. Guru Nanak was the first Guru of Sikh religion. Even today, the teachings of Guru Nanak led the human beings to the right path.
प्यारे बच्चों एवं अभिभावकों, आपको श्री गुरु नानक देव जी के 551वें जन्म दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत बधाई। बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सिख धर्म को आज लंगर के नाम से जाना जाता है और इस लंगर की प्रथा को श्री गुरु नानक देव जी ने प्रारंभ किया था। बचपन में इनके पिताश्री ने जब इनको कुछ धन देकर भेजा कि बेटा जाकर व्यापार करो। जब ये निकले तो इनको रास्ते में कुछ गरीब साधु मिल गए जो कि भूखे थे। इन्होंने उन सभी साधुओं को उसी धन से लंगर छका दिया और वापस घर आ गए। पिताजी ने पूछा कि बेटा क्या किया, तो इन्होंने बताया कि मैं भूखों को लंगर कराकर वापस आ गया। बच्चों, तभी से ये लंगर की प्रथा सिख धर्म में प्रारंभ हुई, जो आज भी सिख धर्म की पहचान बन चुकी है। श्री गुरु नानक देव जी ने ही एकमकार का शब्द उच्चारण किया था, जिसका शाब्दिक अर्थ है कि भगवान एक है और वही शक्ति सारे संसार को संचालित करती है। बच्चों, गुरु नानक देव जी ने ही कहा था, पताला पताल लख आकाशा आकाश, अर्थात लाखों आकाश हैं, लाखों पताल हैं, जिसको आज भी वैज्ञानिक शाब्दिक रूप में एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। बच्चों, ऐसे ही गुरु नानक देव जी को जगत गुरु की उपाधि मिली है। ऐसे गुरु को सत सत नमस्कार और आप सभी को पुनः गुरु नानक देव जी के जन्म दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
My dear students and parents, submission to the will of God, Vaheguru. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the message of Hukum Rajai Chalana Nanak Likhya Nal. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that everything happens by God's grace. So rest assured that God knows better what is right or wrong for us. So we should accept His decisions without any grudge or question. Guru Nanak Dev Ji born on Kartik Purnima, 29th November 1469 at Talwandi, near Lahore at Pakistan. Father Shri Kalyan Chand Das Bedi, Mata Kalu in short, worked as an accountant. Mother's name was Mata Tripta. One elder sister, Bebe Nanki, who was 5 years old when he was born. Parents were both Hindu Khatris. Guru Nanak Dev Ji defined God as follows. Ek Onkar. God is one. Satnam. His name is truth. Karta Purakh. He is the creator. Nirbhav. He has no fear. Nirvair. He has no hatred. Akal Murat. He is beyond the bondage of time. Ajuni Saibhang. He is beyond birth and death, self-existent. Gur Prasad, reached by Guru's blessings. Guru Nanak Dev Ji declared, Na koi Hindu, na Musalman. Nobody is Hindu or Muslim. We all are humans. He taught, Bandya, tu banda ban. O human, behave like a human being. His life dedicated to the Almighty by 3 simple principles. Naam japo, kirat karo, vand chako. Recite. Naam japo means recite Lord's name all the time. Kirat karo means every and your living with honest work. Vand chako means share your food with all, with others. He said and focused, the 4 castes are one caste. It is human. He did not differentiate between his men and women disciples and gave both of them an equal status. He said, So kyo manda aakhe jit jamme rajan. Why consider women as inferior when she gives birth to the kings? He opened gurdwaras and opened to everyone for food, shelter and sleep. He started Langar Seva and opened kitchen for all caste and creed. In 1500, he embarked on his divine mission and went towards east, west, north and south and visited various centers of Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, Jains, Sufis, Yogis and Siddhas to spread message of humanity. He travelled on foot with his Muslim companion named Bhai Mardana. Ministers, his travels are called Udasis. Guru Nanak says that God's name is the rising tide and his blessings do good for peace, prosperity, salvation to all. We daily recite in our Ardas, Nanak Naam Chardi Kala, Tere Pane Sarbat Da Bhala. Wishes for everyone. Happy Gurpurab. Thank you.
Hello children, and wish you all a very happy Gurupurab. We are having 551st Guru Nanak Jayanti, which is celebrated today on 30th November, and he was the first Guru of Sikhism. He was the first Guru and he has promoted equality amongst Hindus and Muslims, and he has always taught us to be together and bear love in all the hearts. There should be no jealousy, no greed amongst humanity. That is one of his teachings, and he has always promoted equality. Also, he brought the concept of langar into our community, and community langar is the common kitchen where everybody sits down and prays to God together and eats together and spreads love and humanity. And this is these are the teachings of our first Guru, that is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to wish you all, and I hope that all of you can take his teachings forward and promote love and equality in our society. God bless you children, and sir,
Hello.
also-
Hello children, good morning to all of you, and wish you a very happy Guru Nanak Dev Jayanti. Ma'am has told you about the basic fundamentals of humanity which Guru Nanak Dev Ji brought into this world. He was considered to be the most generous soul who has been always, he's an epitome of giving, being selfless to the people around him. And I would like all my children to follow the same principle and to be kind and generous to each another, to one another, with one another. And his basic, one of the most important things of his life was Kirat karo, naam japo, vard ke chako. Kirat karo means work hard. Naam japo means always remember the Almighty, and vard chako, share with the needy. So this is one of the basic things of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. I hope every children in our campus, around them, in their family, will follow the same principle. Thank you.
Lots of love, children.
Take care.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਕਹੋ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਭ ਤੇਰੀ ਵਡਿਆਈ, ਕੋਈ ਨਾਉ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੇ ਤੇਰਾ। ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਨ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਉਤਸਵ ਦੀਆਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਅਵਧ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪਾਵਨ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਉਤਸਵ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਸੀ ਵਿਆਖਿਆ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਆ। ਜਾਕੋ ਸੂਰਜ ਨਿਕਲਿਆ, ਤਾਰੇ ਛਿਪੇ, ਅਨੇਰ ਪਲੋਇਆ, ਮਿਟੀ ਧੁੰਦ ਚਕ ਚਾਨਣ ਹੋਇਆ, ਕਲ ਤਾਰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਆਇਆ। हैप्पी गुरपुरब।
एक ओंकार सम नाम करता पुरुष निरपौर निरपै आकार गुण तत्वनि से पंग गुर प्रसाद जब आज सत तुकार सत हैप्पी सत नानक बुद्धि भी सत। गुरु नानक देव जी ते प्रकाश पर्व ती रख लग पठाई होवे। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।